Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit card info leaks with Synchrony Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce credit card information leaks with Synchrony Bank, start by accessing the official Synchrony Bank website. Look for the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an online account, register by clicking on the register button. Provide the required information, such as your account number and personal details. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings in your account profile. Review your current security options for account protection. Enable two-factor authentication if it is available. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Next, regularly update your password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or birthdate. After that, review your account statements frequently. Look for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately. Set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. These alerts can be sent via email or text message. Consider using virtual card numbers for online purchases whenever possible. This way, your actual credit card number remains private. If you ever suspect your information has been compromised, contact Synchrony Bank immediately. They can guide you on the next steps to secure your account. Finally, stay informed about the latest security practices and updates from Synchrony Bank. Implementing these strategies will help protect your credit card information effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.